Hi, Vieira with the Stock Market Live.tv, 27 October 2017, an historical date for investors worldwide when we made a couple of calls, complementary, on Twitter in real time, one on my Twitter channel, which you have it here. I'm referring to upgrading or in fact reiterating strong buy in Twitter and saying Twitter it is now the single best company to invest in. I'm going to repeat, 27 October 2017. For those that they have problems with their vision, I'm going here to utilize the zoom function, okay? Zoom function, you have it here, October 2017. The price? Best stocks to invest in, 10 million shares. Strong buy, all right? Strong buy. You see it here, strong buy? Excellent. February 2018, what is the price of Twitter? Twitter rallied to new all-time highs in 2018, precisely $35. So, when I told you that Twitter was going down, that Twitter was a strong sell, and you have the video also available on YouTube at $73, I repeat, I was the only person in the world saying Twitter is going down, is going to crash. $73, there is a video on YouTube, several years old. Twitter crashed, it melted. When Twitter, the share price melted down to $14, we said, if you are short Twitter, you are going to cover your short positions because Twitter at $14 going forward, it is a strong buy, okay? So, Twitter in 2018, February, you have Twitter at $35. Do you understand? We made the same announcement with regards to Amazon, strong buy since $77 in October 2017. My team posted on Twitter that Amazon, it was worth $1,500. At that time, Amazon, it was trading at $1,040. Amazon in February 2018 traded to $1,493. Do you understand? Very simple, we never missed one forecast, and you had them complementary for you to become a multimillionaire investing in the markets following a credible source since IPO in both companies. Do you understand the difference? Is that Mr. Buffett, for example, as I referred in numerous times, he never invested in Twitter, he never invested in Amazon, Intuitive Surgical or Netflix, 6,300 plus % on investment, okay? And with this, I terminate congratulating all of you to listen to credible sources investing in the markets for the past 30 years. Stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex market, commodities, futures, US stock market, emerging markets, all right? Don't forget the case of Yandex, $12 and a half, strong buy, February 2018, you have $43 in Yandex. You don't have $20 or single digits. We upgraded Yandex at the very bottom to strong buy. We said Yandex, one of the best companies, in fact, the best company to invest in, Russia. So we are everywhere. Do you understand the difference? Thank you.